to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing wonderful. So today I want to share with you a Walmart grocery haul. It was some items that I wanted to get for some recipes, and let's get started. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, my name is Hope, and here on the channel I talk about faith, family, and home, and all those different things pertaining to home and faith, from grocery hauls to parties and celebrations, DIY, home decor, some faith. So make sure you follow me like on Instagram and check out the community tab and all those different things. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you are doing great. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Hey, hopeful. So I'm back from the store really quick after I picked up Josiah from school. And so I have been getting these for him, the Splash. I think that's the name of the brand, Splash. Are these by Nestle? Not sure. This is the Acai berry. I'm sorry, Acai grape. I think I'm saying it right. Last time I got him the mixed berry, I couldn't reach the mixed berry, so I hope he likes these. They also have a mandarin, orange. And instead of getting the Kool-Aid Jambers or the Capri Sun, so we've been taking these for lunch for him. I got some bread because I still have a loaf from Sam's when I got the other day. I also got some of this chopped salad kit. I got this because it has some purple cabbage and the cabbage in here and stuff, and the carrots. And instead of cutting up, even though it would have been cheaper, but I had to cut it up. E2M now, this is a weight loss or lifestyle fitness program that has been working for my husband and I. We've been slack the last 2 rounds. This round, trying to stay focused and get to this goal. But our first round, if you're new, we lost like 50 some pounds together. I lost 26. I can't remember how much Jason lost, y'all. So anyway, they got a new cookbook, and this one is beef and poultry. You can find it on Amazon. It should be in my Amazon storefront. I'll put it, my link should be down below. Calls for, I think I'm gonna make a burrito bowl, a Korean Asian bowl, several different. So this is what this grocery trip called for. And then this stuff is already pre-mixed for me and sliced, so I don't have to worry about getting the cabbage and all of that, even though it's cheaper. Okay, y'all, so I got 2 red onions, and then I got some carrots. I got some minced garlic. I totally forgot to get this at Sam's because I like that big thing because it lasts forever. This is the first time I think that I tried the Great Value Hydrate Alkaline Water. This also has electrolytes in it, and it's good to have on hand. E2M, they talk about you should have some good quality water. Normally I get Smart Water. I do have some Fiji water over there. I haven't tried the other water. I can't think of the name of it right now. It's alkaline water. It's black and red labeling on it. Anyway, I wanted to just do this today because it was $6. So I wanted some nutty butter, so I got him the big pack. This will also be for his lunch. Yeah, they're going to take a break from the Pop-Tarts. They're going to take a break from some certain things. We like these. These have went up a little bit. They used to be $1.23. The cashew sweet and salty granola bars, I got 3 because they're not always there. They're $1.64 now. I got the party size barbecue chips. Instead of getting we just put them in Ziploc bags instead of getting the big thing. I got also some Mio fruit punch. Jason loves this. And the orange blast, and he likes to mix it with the sparkling water. So that's the alternative of having soda. It tastes like a treat. And then also the boys are going to have tacos tonight, so I got some sour cream. We have everything else for tacos. I also got some sesame seeds for one of the recipes, some Mio sweet tea, and I use this in our, yes, I can say our because Jason drinks coffee sometimes. Black coffee, so this makes the black coffee taste so much better. The E2M just came out with their new coffee, and they said it's really good. Because Jeff, let me show y'all. So Jeff is the creator. These are the 2 chefs here, and Jeff doesn't care for coffee, which I can understand because I'm kind of like that too. I just kind of use it as a pick-me-up now. or I need to wake up in the morning. So I think it's Charleston. I'll see if I find a link and put it down below. But they went through a lot of taste testing to get some good, smooth black coffee tasting good. But anyway, this is a great thing to put in your coffee, a couple of squirts, so we won't break our fast. So my fasting window is like from 12 to 8. All right, y'all, got some green onions. I got some cilantro. It was really cheap, like 48 cents. I got some ground beef. I got 2 of them. I did get a big thing from Sam's, but I didn't defrost it. So that's what also prompted this trip. So one of them, I'm going to make tacos for them. And then the other, I'm going to make Jason and I something. And then I'll make sure I take it out for the other recipes that I want to make. I got some lemons because I want some lemon water. They were reasonable price today, I think 53 cents. I got some limes for the recipe. These were like 37 cents. And they didn't have any red peppers. They were totally out, so I had to get the trio, which was $3. And that's it, y'all. That is it for the grocery haul for today. And thanks so much for watching as always, y'all. And I'll see you in the very next video. Bye.